Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to set the live chess functions in the chess play and learn application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the More button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then click on the Settings button. And within this section, look for the Play button and click on that. And then just click on the Live Chess button. And as you can see, these are the settings that you can enable within this setting. So you can, for example, enable to confirm each move when in a live chess mode, or you can enable pre-moves. So just click on the white circle next to the ones that you want to enable. And that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.